gonna break it. Oh, see the woods back there? Those are part. We can go in them. Those are part of our property.
Are you sure there's not snakes in there?
There might be, but I've gone in there. You have to have long pants. What? He's squishing you? This helps smooth it up. I'm gonna put this in slow motion so I can see the home. Here he is. Did you get him? No, I don't know. I might have. Stop! The hummingbird's not gonna come. Josiah, you might put a hole in the ground that goes into our basement.
Why is it not good to go in the basement?
No, like he might take the sword and make a hole in the floor to the basement.
Well, why is that not good?
There's a hole in our house that he puts a hole. He's going like this, and he puts the hole right here. It goes into our basement, and then we have a hole in our house where he can first open the door and Did you see him?
No. I saw a moth. I might have caught him because I saw like something zooming by the camera.
And on slow motion so that anything that goes past is slow.
This is half slow motion.
So I have to ask regular pasta because I have to make
Oh, I got him.